Hi, I'm Kristin, in case we haven't met before, and I'm gonna try a slightly different way of like curling slash diffusing my hair, and I want to show you at the same time. So I got some new products and I decided that I wanna do kind of a different tutorial, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I like to wear the top of my hair like straight, honestly. So just because it's one less curl pattern to mess with, and I really just don't want to do that. So basically we're gonna be diffusing all of this. I haven't put really anything in it yet aside from anti-tap, but we're gonna put some stuff in it. Okay, so first we're gonna put in, this is a curl building serum from Davines. That's literally what it's called. And this is kind of on the lighter side of hold. So we're gonna start with this. This is like a creamy, like lotion almost. I'm gonna start with just like this much because I don't feel like I'm gonna use a whole lot of this. But basically, this is just basically like bounce support, and it's for anti-humidity. So we're gonna start with that. I love when companies put like their strength indicator on the somewhere on the bottle. It makes it so much easier for everybody. I always like to start with a little bit of product and just add to it. With any kind of curl product, more is always better. And actually, I don't feel like there's enough moisture in here, so I'm gonna spray this a little bit. Spray this with water. My hair kind of was just air drying before I started doing this, so. Sometimes it just dries a little too much. Okay, so that is in, perfect. This stuff smells really good too. And then we're gonna use a little, this is a curl moisturizing mousse, also from Davines. Okay. If I grabbed, I feel like I grabbed too much at first, so if I do that, I try to spread it around on my hair as much as possible, just so I'm not like dropping it everywhere. I'm just working it all through the hair there. So both of those products that I just used are more for like light and medium curl hold. So we'll see how nicely they spring up here, but I'm gonna also add in a little volume, just rock and roll. This is gonna be lighter and fluffier. The curl moisturizing mousse that I just used is definitely like creamy and feels, I wouldn't say oily, but it feels like conditioner, honestly. Just like fluffy conditioner. So with this mousse, I can use more and it won't feel heavy. This is a volumizing mousse, so it'll allow more air into the hair. I'm just hoping that this doesn't end up looking like a mop, because honestly, I've never really truly only diffused my hair for anything but my crazy waves. So I'm gonna try just a little bit of a different type of setting and see how I like it. Also, your hair is only gonna curl as much as a curl that you have. So with the Great Lengths here, like it has a really nice body wave to it, but they're not curly. So it's not really going to give me a kinky curly result unless I had the hair chemically altered. And then you know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna finish with a little texturizing serum, because I wanna put something in my hair just between like the midsections of my hair. So just for fun. Okay, now we're gonna dry this. I'm gonna leave this alone until this is dry, and then we'll diffuse the bottom. Okay, now the top is dry, and actually what I'm gonna do is these down. Just because. Okay, so the look I'm interested in achieving is basically like, this is still gonna be loose, but I would like for this to be a little bit more refined. And I wanna see how much like volume and hold I can get out of this. So I'm not committed, just interested. So that's what we're gonna go for. Okay, and like I said, we're gonna be doing this on low today. So this is gonna feel like it's gonna take forever, I feel like, but I could be wrong. Okay, that wasn't too bad timing wise. This is like getting there dry wise. I totally realized while I was doing this last section up here that I wasn't separating this enough. Like I should have really been doing this and then this, so this could sit a little higher, but that's okay. We're gonna try that on the other side and see how that turns out. So, okay. Okay, so there we have it. And you know what? That took like 20 minutes. And what I actually ended up doing is I had my tool on low heat and low power. And what I ended up doing is I kept it on low power, but I turned up the heat a little bit. And I actually really like it. That was kind of more the look I was going for. Plus it was kind of taking forever for me. So unless you want like compacted curls, I would stick with a slightly higher temperature. So you can go either way with that, but I really like how this turned out. I've never done this before, and this is really cute. My hair feels really good. It's like shiny. I probably would like kind of slightly change what I do to the top normally, but for right now, this is totally okay. And this is cute. I like how there's like that nice separation in there. I can still touch it. Yeah, I really like this. So I would say low power, medium heat, good curl products / texture products, and some patience. And just make sure you're moving around your diffuser as you're working, because you don't want it to like all dry in one spot. So you want it to be able to kind of spread out as you are drying. Otherwise, like this would all be just like bleh and not as cute. So yeah, that's what I would recommend doing. And I'm really liking those products. I probably would have added, honestly, even more. I feel like I kind of neglected the back bottom of my hair, but that's okay. I'm super happy with the way that this turned out. So now I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and good luck diffusing. Bye. Hi. Okay, so I just restyled my hair after last night's diffusing with the Davines products, and I really like it. I actually didn't even put hairspray in it last night at all. I didn't put any texture spray or anything of the sort, and it's still like brushed out so cute. So I am really happy with the way that those products performed in my hair. And I will say, like, my hair is like so soft. Honestly, it is so soft. It is like really touchable. It's not crunchy in any capacity. So all I did today was basically I brushed my hair, and then I took my wave iron and just touched up like just some of these pieces, and this is what I got. And this is like so adorable. I'm really impressed with these products, honestly. Not that I expected them to be not great, but I am impressed. So I think this could be fun for you to try, and I am definitely having fun playing with just the different ways of wearing curly hair. So I hope that was helpful. Can't wait to see you again. Bye.